Discover this unique bunker house featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Sits on 38 plus acres of lush land in Tennessee. The property includes 2 large workshops, one with a guest area and full bath, heated and cooled, as well as 4-car parking. Additional features include a fruit orchard, stocked pond with fishing opportunities, garden, tranquil creek and a shooting range. The home is equipped with a 50 AMP generator, fiber optic internet and security cameras, making it a self-sufficient and secure property. The property can also come fully furnished, offering a turnkey opportunity for the right owner. Please check out the description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.